What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Now, I know it's been a while since I've been on the channel, since I uploaded video on the channel, but I think today's video is going to be a pretty cool one. So before I get started, you guys, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's not waste any more time. Let's get to the video. By the way, this video is not going to be too long. It's going to be a pretty quick video, but I think I have a pretty cool one for you guys today, so let's check it out. Yes guys, so in today's video we are going to be test driving a 2019 C63 AMG coupe. This is the V8 beast. I've always had like a slight interest in this car. You guys know I just bought a M4 recently, so we are gonna test drive this car and see what it's all about today. So this is just gonna be a quick POV test drive just to see what the car is all about. I like that startup, little crackles on startup. All right, let's put this thing in drive and then put it in Sport Plus, and then we are gonna take off. So, you know, taking off in the car now. This is my first time. Well, actually, I've ridden passenger in a C63 before, and it felt pretty much the same, but I don't know. I was in the passenger seat, so it was definitely a little different. But man, this thing is a beast. It's definitely different than the M4. Definitely different than the M4. Let's see if I can get on the freeway. And the shifts are so quick, that DCT, I think it's a 9-speed. But so far the car feels nice. It has a beautiful yellow, black and yellow interior with the carbon fiber look everywhere. It's pretty sick, in my opinion. The car just needs more sound, to be honest. Like, that's all. I think the car needs a lot more sound. So let's see if I can find the freeway. I don't know the area too well. Okay, yeah, the 15 is right there. Definitely get muscle car vibes from this car. I'm not gonna lie, I get muscle car vibes from this car. I mean, it is German muscle, but and going around this turn, it doesn't handle too bad. It's actually all right. You hear that shift? It's crazy. I have it in Sport Plus right now, and it sounds great. Kicks in, it's kind of similar to the M4. Sorry, let me roll the window up for you guys. But yeah, the way the boost kicks in, it's like kind of like the M4. It just kind of hits you. It's crazy. funny thing, downshift. My friend said this car has no character. I don't really know what that means, but I mean, I think the car is cool. I think it's, you feel me? I don't have no complaints about the C63. But it's a cool car, you know. Kind of made an illegal U-turn right here, but whatever. Yeah, it's definitely a cool car, man. I just wish the exhaust was modified already. That would have made it probably 10 times better. That would have made it 10. Oh, these terrible roads are not good, man. San Diego. Area too well, guys, so I have to like switch between GPS and the GoPro app. But yeah, the car definitely rides firm. I want to compare it to the M4, but it's two different cars. You know, the M4 is 6-cylinder, this is a V8, but the ride quality is about the same. The M4 feels a little better, I want to say, but this feels good nonetheless. I like how it feels. And the thing I like about this car too, I think when you hit the paddle shifters and you just let it go, when you hit the paddle shifters, if you forget to shift, it takes over for you and it starts shifting. So that's pretty cool, so you don't blow up your engine and whatnot. If you like the video so far, once again, hit that like button, subscribe, and I think I'm about to end the video, so thank you guys all for watching. If you appreciate and like the C63 content, man, this is my first time driving one of these, and I can tell you it's a good experience. I like it a lot, you know. So if you guys interested in C63, take a test drive. It's a dope car. I'll do one more pull here when I take off, and then pretty much end the video. Let's see. I would do a launch control, but I don't really know how to I don't really know how to do that. I don't even know how to do it in the M4. So alright, let's see. Come on, turn green, turn green. I don't think there's any cops around here. That was a really nice pull. C63 AMG. I didn't push it to the full limit, but I did step on it a little bit. This thing looks so good. The black and white with the red calipers. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.